Hello everyone, my name is ShashaMarket and today I'm going to show you how you can create job board website. We will be using WordPress to create this amazing website. This is our home page, and in the home page we have a search bar where you will be able to filter job by the job titles or the different keywords. Over here you'll be able to filter by city or postal codes. Then once you click on find jobs, you'll be able to find different jobs. Then we have popular job categories. You'll be able to show all the different job categories that you already have in your website with multiple positions opening. Then you'll be able to add multiple featured jobs. You can add jobs, you can add featured jobs and much more. In the jobs, we have option for full-time, part-time, also option for urgency. You will be able to show how much the person is going to get in the job, based on weekly, monthly or daily basis. If you go down, you'll be able to add testimonials from different users. Below that, we have different brands of different companies. Then you can add a photo and some text, add buttons and much more in your landing page. Below are some of the figures that you can show to your clients or your customers. Then we have news articles. All the news articles that you will be publishing will be shown over here. Then we have option to add mobile app. In this whole course, I am going to teach you how you will be able to create Android app with your website. And then we have NCTA for recruiting. And this is the footer part. Our theme that we are going to use is Superior. Superior has multiple home pages that you can use. Now let me show you how a job will look like. Once you click on find jobs, you will be able to see a list of jobs available. Over here, you will be able to see that we have a list of jobs that are available. On the left hand side, you will be able to filter the jobs. You can also add an option to job alert. Let me show you an example of a job listing page. This is a job listing page. On the right hand side, you will be able to apply for a job. Once you click on it, you will be able to apply by the form. You can also bookmark the job. Over here, you will be able to see the job description, key responsibilities, skills and experience needed for the job, sharing option and photos of the job provider, a video option and related jobs. On the right hand side, you'll be able to see job location, job skills, employer who is going to be hiring you. And on the right hand side, job overview like job posted, location, salary, expiry date, experience, gender, qualification and career level. So this way a job page will look like. So I will see you in the course. Thank you so much. Once you enroll in this course, I will be showing you how you will be able to download this template, how you will be able to install this template, how you will be able to add menu items, how you will be able to customize your footer, this page, landing pages, employer, candidate, search page and more. I will also be showing you how you will be able to get the best hosting for your website and much more. So I hope you will be able to enjoy this course. Thank you so much.